I have to share with you my new favorite snack. Sometimes I have it for like a mid-morning snack. Sometimes I have it for breakfast. But what it is it's steel cut oats that come in these single serving packets. And it's a measuring cup in here, so you don't even have to get out any tools. You just rip the top open, fill it up. So you put the oats in, and then you fill this up with water to the line, pour that in, and then what I did to make it all purpley, I took a half a purple of blueberries and poured it on top, and then I microwaved it for 2.5 minutes only. Went, ran around, did other stuff, came back, let it kind of sit for, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, and then I got a half a blue of these slivered almonds and put on it, stir it up. Oh, it's so delicious. So it gives me enough energy to make it through the morning when I'm just kind of sitting around and it's really easy to really want to grab brain food, you know, like extra carbs. It takes care of that for me. It is very tart, so if you need it to be a little bit more sweet, you could probably do like a teaspoon of honey on there for one of your teaspoons, or sometimes I use stevia to sweeten things with stevia. So that's my snack. It's delicious.